Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the universal charger's voltage and current range so you won't overdrive the battery. You then pick the matching connector and set the output voltage to the battery's nominal rating. This prevents damage. Once done, double-check polarity markings and attach the clip so positive touches positive and negative touches negative. Make sure the charger is off while connecting. This sets a safe baseline and prevents sparks or reversed connections before you power the device. You now choose the appropriate mode: constant current for quick charging or a smart mode if available to manage finishing stages. Set the current around 1/2 C or the battery maker's recommended rate. This balances speed and longevity. Once you start, watch voltage rise and feel the battery. A warm but not hot temperature is normal. If your charger shows data, monitor mAh delivered and voltage trends. Adjust current downward if heat or rapid voltage spikes appear. You complete charging by stopping at the recommended cutoff voltage or relying on the charger's auto cutoff. This prevents overcharge. Once charging stops, let the battery rest for a few minutes to stabilize internal chemistry before disconnecting or using it. If charging fails or battery gets hot, immediately turn the charger off. Then make sure polarity was correct, inspect cables and connectors for damage, and test the charger's output with a meter. These steps diagnose common faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.